Hi guys, it's Simon C. Welcome to this new AI radar. Today I have for you 3 news about artificial intelligence in business. WWD contributor Kelly Rushitz reports that in LVMH Moët Louis Vuitton 3rd edition of La Maison des Startups, which received more than 1,000 applicants, US-based product authentication solution Entrupy was among the 26 companies chosen for this season's program, and the only one focused on product authentication. Entrupy is an artificial intelligence powered up and handheld hardware solution for authentication that operates with a claimed 99.1% accuracy. By means of Entrupy's guided handheld authentication process, during which a handful of images are collected, the device tests within 4 seconds whether a product is authentic or unidentifiable, not fake, as Entrupy must again take in the variances from user error. With a focus on luxury handbags, Entrupy supports verification of 15 luxury brands including Balenciaga, Chanel, Dior, Fendi, Gucci, Hermes and Louis Vuitton, among others. CNET's Stephen Shankland reports that at its annual iPhone launch event in Cupertino, California, USA, Apple introduced its A13 Bionic processor that will boost iPhone 11 performance by at least 20% over last year's smartphones. That includes the speed of the main processor brains and its special purpose engines for graphics and artificial intelligence. The new A13 processor used in Apple's iPhone 11 family of smartphones also is Apple's biggest ever, with 8.6 billion transistors, up from 6.9 billion last year. A transistor is the tiny on-off switch that's the fundamental element of processing circuitry in computer chip, and the more of them you have, the more things you can do with a chip, like speed up particular chores like game graphics and photo apps using artificial intelligence algorithms. With its own designs, Apple also can pick exactly how much silicon real estate to devote to priorities like power consumption, high-speed cache memory, AI and graphics. Technology Reviews contributor Tanya Basu reports that Alexa is targeting the seniors demographics who have become enthusiastic consumers of voice technology. Indeed, older adults make for a potentially huge market. In the United States, 4,600 people turn 65 every day. The misconception is that seniors don't like tech, but they actually do. They just have a different set of features they are interested in. Voice tech devices are easy to use and are physical unobtrusive, and the interactivity can be fun, and for seniors, a device like Alexa can be a real life changer. For example, the 70-year-old legally blind Leslie Miller finds her Alexa Echo Dot helpful for everyday tasks like asking what the weather is like or reminding her at lunch with her peers. Furtherly, Miller reads Braille but sometimes wants to know what a word means. Dictionaries are often not available in Braille, and she'd rather not bother other people with such requests. Alexa has restored her sense of independence. I must use her 8 to 10 times a day, she says. Okay guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and remember to subscribe to my channel. It's all for today. See you next time with AI Radar. Bye.